Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to create your account in Hilokal language exchange app. So you can see it's Hilokal. I downloaded it from Google Play Store. You can also download if you don't have in your device. So I'm just going to click Hilokal. Once I click here, then here you will see the bottom part, two options: choose a language and already an Hilokal user. So if you are already user, then this video is not for you. But if you want to create your account, then you can continue the watching. So you can see choose language. You have to click choose language, and then you have to give your native language. Which language it's your native? So I'm going to choose my native language, Bangla. And then where are you from? You have to give your country. So I'm just going to give my, you can also use other thing. And I want to learn which language you want to learn. So here are some languages you can want to learn. I'm giving English. And then which level you are. So you can choose according to your English levels. I'm going to choose like intermediate. And then like why are you learning, why you are learning? You can see to make friends, to move abroad, for work, for travel, for school, for exam, to learn culture, just interested. So you can give according to your interest. Like if you want to go abroad, then you can click to move abroad, or if you want to make friend, then you can choose the first one. So for me, I'm just to learn culture or just interested, so I'm just give the last one and click next. And then what is your interest, then you have to choose your interest. Okay, uh, like uh, like knowledge, tech, arts, genre, media, health, or you can skip this uh, thing. So I'm just going to choose knowledge, like education, and like um, then philosophy or tech, like AI, marketing, not cryptocurrency. So you can choose according to state of arts, like photography, design, um, movies, or you can choose like here are a lot of things. You can choose YouTube, books, podcast. So after that you need to click next, or you can also skip this thing if you want. So I'm going to click next, and it's done already. So here are some options, like which way you want to create your account. Like you can continue your Apple ID, you can continue your Facebook, you can continue Google, or you can, and there are some options, and you can also create manually. So like create account with email, the last one you can create manually, but it's a choice. So I'm going to click continue with Google because it's really easy to create account. And once I click there, and I will see my email account, Gmail account here. So I'm just going to click my Gmail account. You can see like okay, I'm just giving my Gmail account and then continue as your name. And wait a second please, and then it's already, you have to give your profile picture, or you can give your name, and like name, and it shows your gender, or then next. And here is try to free 3 days left, select plan to select your. So here, if you don't want to add, then you can get a premium, and here are 1 month free or 6 months. So here are package, it's not totally free. I'm just going to skip this thing, and here you go, and here a lot of things here. So I will create more videos how to use this app in upcoming tutorials. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.